Section 4, Video 2, Types of Data Stores. Data stores are logical containers similar to file systems that hide specifics of the underlying technology of each storage device and provide a uniform model or container for storing virtual machine files. Data stores can be used for storing ISO images, virtual machine templates, and floppy images. The term data store in VMFS or NFS volume refer to the same logical container on the physical device. Data stores are able to abstract the underlying technology, whether it's fiber channel, iSCSI, or NFS, and present that uniform container or model to ESXi for deploying virtual machines. Virtual machine file system is VMware's clustered file system for ESXi vSphere. The current version is VMFS 6, introduced with vSphere 6. Previous versions include VMFS 5 and VMFS 3. Once a logical device LUN is formatted with VMFS, it becomes a data store and able to host virtual machines. VMFS provides high-speed access to data, even when shared between multiple hosts, ensuring data integrity. Shown here are data store types including VMFS, NFS, which is not network file system, virtual SAN, which is storage created with storage on each host, and virtual volumes, which is a management and storage framework introduced with vSphere 6. A data store as shown here is being shared by two hosts, and using VMFS or NFS, it's ensured that the data integrity is ensured, and multiple ESXi hosts are able to share the same data store concurrently. When it's clustered as a clustered file system, VMFS lets multiple ESXi hosts access the same data store concurrently. Up to 64 hosts can be connected to a single VMFS data store. And again, as shown in the picture, 3 ESXi hosts, server A, server B, server C, are connected directly to the data store and sharing the files on that data store. VMFS ensures that the data integrity is not affected in any way. To summarize, we looked at the different types of VMware data stores. We looked at VMware shared storage and a quick review of virtual machine file system, clustered file system from VMware. Thank you for watching. In the next video, video 3, we will review storage concepts.